Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can download CapCut on your iPhone. So let's get on it. The first thing that you'll need to do is to tap onto your App Store on your iPhone, just like here. And then after going to your App Store, go ahead and search CapCut on the search bar on the upper part of your screen. So just type in CapCut and just wait for a few seconds. And then after that, you will be able to see CapCut right there. So just tap onto that and then tap onto the download button that is available on your screen. And just wait for a few seconds for it to be completely downloaded or installed in your device. And after downloading it, just make sure to open the CapCut and then you can sign in or sign up if you haven't or if you don't have an account yet, and just simply log in if you already have an account on CapCut. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.